Hey there! If you've ever wished you could open Google Chrome in just one click right from your Windows 11 taskbar, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this quick video, you'll know how to pin Chrome to your taskbar permanently, so you can launch your favorite browser even faster, whether you're starting work or just hopping online to check the latest news. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you've already got Google Chrome installed on your PC or laptop. If you're not sure, just check your desktop or search for it in the Start menu. If you do have it, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Just double-click the icon like you normally would. The reason we need to open Chrome before we pin it is because Windows only lets you pin programs to the taskbar if they're currently running. So don't skip this step, even if it seems simple. Once Chrome is open and running, take a look down at your taskbar. That's the strip usually running along the bottom edge of your screen, where you'll see little icons for apps, your Start button, and maybe the time. You should see the Google Chrome icon there now. It's that colorful circle with shades of red, green, yellow, and blue. If you don't spot it, just double-check that Chrome really launched. Now, here comes the key step. Just move your mouse pointer over the Chrome icon on the taskbar. Don't click, just hover. Then, give it a right click. Depending on your computer settings, this might mean clicking the right mouse button, or pressing the trackpad with 2 fingers if you're on a laptop. When you right-click, you'll see a little menu pop up with several options. You're looking for one that says Pin to Taskbar. Sometimes it's right near the top, and other times it's a little further down. But don't worry. If you see anything like Unpin from Taskbar, it means Chrome is already pinned and you're ahead of the game. Go ahead and click Pin to Taskbar. Don't be afraid to take your time here, especially if it's your first time using the right-click menu. Once you select that option, Chrome's icon will stay on your taskbar even after you close the browser or restart your computer. This is super handy. Think of it like putting a shortcut in your favorite drawer at home. Whenever you want to launch Chrome, just look for its icon in your taskbar and click once. No digging through menus, no searching. Quick tip, if you ever want to unpin Chrome from your taskbar, just right-click the icon again and select Unpin from Taskbar. That's all there is to it. This little trick with pinning apps can really speed up your daily computer workflow, and it works for other programs too. For example, you can pin Word, Spotify, or any other app to the taskbar the same way. And there you go. Now Chrome is always right at your fingertips. If you followed along, you've just made your Windows 11 experience a little smoother. If the menu didn't pop up or you didn't see the option, don't worry. Just double-check that Chrome is open. Or try restarting your computer and giving it another go. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Got any questions or want to request another tutorial? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys and am always here to help. Happy browsing, and I'll catch you in the next video.